Life Fit40 would like to thank Paras Catering and Events. Check out their FB page and see all the excellent customer feedback regarding their great food, great service, and elegant styling. You can reach them at 0917-844-4470 and look for Miss Jubian Paras. What is up mga ka-LifeFit? This is a brand new season, a brand new episode, a brand new hairstyle.
That lovely.
And a brand new partner for today's episode. Alam nyo naman mga ka-LifeFit, for the past seasons, di ba, we've been featuring a lot of plant-based products. Kung maalala nyo si Engineer, yung mga episodes namin before.
Yan naman pareho. Hindi ka napansin, naubos ka.
Kalo ka! Busog ka!
Finally, we now have our own brand partner who is plant-based. Yes, mga ka-LifeFit. So, welcome! Tada! Unmeat! Yes po mga ka-LifeFit. So, for the longest time, we've been partnering with a lot of companies that promote healthy living, healthy lifestyle, especially with the food products that they offer. So, now we have Unmeat. So, for this episode, magluluto tayo ng mga recipes using their products. So, after this, who knows, magagamit nyo rin to in your own kitchens very, very soon. So, tara, let's go!
Talk.
Want to know a tasty and satisfying way to eat healthy? Welcome to our plates, Unmeat. It's a plant-based protein designed to look, cook, feel, and taste like meat without the actual meat. It has non-GMO soy protein that's tasty, juicy, and tender to the bite. It really is a brand new and delectable way to be healthy. And now, this has been made available and accessible to all our ka-LifeFit out there. High in fiber, high source of protein with no preservatives added. Here are their products. Burger patties. Enjoy your homemade burgers guilt-free. Savor this plant-based natural source protein in a bun, topped with gravy. Nuggets. Enjoy them as a snack or on a salad or just about any way you want it. Giniling. This is a versatile ground meat substitute for the tacos, pasta sauces, and check out their other products. Corned beef, longanisa, tocino, and tapa.
Let's go! Showtime, baby!
NANI?!
Burger!
Yeah, boy.
Burger!
Life at 40 would like to thank Paras Pack Meals. Enjoy catered food right at your fingertips. Just look for Paras Pack Meals at Foodpanda and Grab Food. Alright mga ka-Life-Fit, tapos na po tayo magluto and sumayaw.
Wow! Fantastic, babe.
naging dancing cooking session yung nangyari kanina mga ka-Life-Fit. Pero all is well and good. So ngayon, itatry na natin yung niluto natin mga ka-Life-Fit. So ang napili nating lutuin is the ever so favorite Hungarian sausage and burger steak.
Burger!
Check natin kung talagang hindi nalalayo ang lasa ng unmeat sa totoong meat based dun sa nila, product description nila. So, first stop is the Hungarian sausage. Sino ba nagluto nito? Ba't ba? Napaka... Puro sayo lang inatupag kasi kanina eh.
Huh?
Check natin yung lasa mga ka-Life-Fit. Okay. Firm. Very firm. Paano kaya lasa? Oh, wow. Now I see. Sorry if I'm talking with my mouth is with food. Pasensya na. I must say, tender to bite, and ano siya, hindi mo talaga siya makahalatang plant-based siya. Kasi, yung ano pa lang, yung chewiness. Ganun, di ba, kapag meat, di ba? Sorry na. Buhay pa yung sausage.
Huh?
Buhay pa siya para siya animal. Buhay pa, hindi. Joke lang mga ka-Life-Fit. I was expecting na magiging siya para siyang ka-consistency ng kikiam. Kasi that's the closest thing I could think of na it could possibly taste as close as this is kikiam. Pero it's far from being kikiam. It's really like the real thing. This is approved. Very much approved. Siguro ito, kahit i-serve ko ito sa mga anak ko, they wouldn't even notice this. Very nice. Alright. Stop is the burger steak.
Burger!
Tingnan natin yung gourmet cooking ng ng editor ko. Tinalo niya ako sa cooking. Ako prito lang.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Okay, let's get this big piece. So, sa isang sachet, they have 2 patties. Actually, malaki siya, if you could see. Malaki siya for a serving. That's for me. Okay? First thing na napansin ko, hindi siya yung nagka-crumble. Yung nagdi-disintegrate, alam niyo ba 'yun? Kasi I would expect na kapag hindi siya meat, so yung parang one whole piece. I would expect if it's made up of other ingredients, magka-crumble siya once you slice it. Pero this thing looks very firm, just like a regular patty. Oh, see? Just the way how I cut it. Buong buo. It's buo. It's really the whole thing. Now, yung lasa kaya niya. Oh my! I wasn't expecting that. Wow! I don't know about you guys. I've been a meat eater for most of my life. Since I was a kid. Madalang na kumain ng vegetables. Huwag yung gagayahin yung mga ka-Life-Fit. Pero, this thing is really a game changer, mga ka-Life-Fit. It tastes like 100% pure beef. Ano ba meron to? Pero grabe siya, And to think this is 100% plant-based, and it tastes like 100% pure beef. I'm not joking. I'm not exaggerating. I'm describing it as the patty is melting in my mouth. Ganun siya kasarap, in fairness. Wow. Okay. I'm a believer, mga ka-Life Fit. There is such a thing as good tasting plant-based food. And this is it. Unmeat. To the people in Unmeat, kudos to you. You finally gave us a really great tasting option for being healthy na hindi namin kailangan mag-stick to 100% diet that consists of animal meat. Meron tayong ganito that could really help us in our healthy lifestyle, in our health journey. So if you want to try being healthier and you want to incorporate plant-based food sa inyong diet, Unmeat is here para mag-provide ng really delicious and delectable options for all of us. So some of their products, thank you for giving us this free sample. So they have tocino, they have tapa, they have giniling. You know giniling, very versatile food yan. O, longganisa, Kapampangan Foods, no? Meron sila. Corned beef, favorite breakfast. And chicken patties. Ito, bilib na bilib talaga ako dito, mga ka-Life Fit. For bodybuilders like me na nangangailangan ng an alternative source of protein, di ba? Pwede to, mga ka-Life Fit. So yun. If you want to know more about Unmeat and their very delicious products, mga ka-Life Fit, check out their website. We're gonna post it in the description of this video later, and andito rin yung mga contact numbers nila, mga ka-Life Fit. So there you have it, mga ka-Life Fit, for this first episode of this brand new season and a brand new hairstyle. Talaga di pa ako mag-get over. For more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page, LifeFit40. Hit the bell button so you will be notified for all future content. Again, a huge thanks and a huge shout out to all our new and renewed sponsors. Check out their links in the description down below. So we will be seeing you on the next episode. Stay safe always, mga ka-Life Fit.
Hello everybody, it's Trisha Gutierrez and I want to invite everybody to please like, share, and subscribe LifeFit40 at susunod mag-workout na ako kasama ninyo.